Happy Potato Tuesday
Sip and cook.
with M&N. Cheers.
Cheers. Welcome. So Marina had a great idea.
I found this recipe online. It's called Herbs and Cheese or Cheese and Herbs Potato Fans. I'm sure you've probably seen them and it just looks so cool.
Yeah, and it looks like it's so easy to make.
Yeah, easy enough and something different, something cool. So with holidays coming up, I think it's a great side dish.
Mm-hmm. And we're about to make it and
Eat it. Okay,
let's begin.
we have for you guys today is
Brussels potatoes.
Brussels potatoes, melted butter,
It looks so bright and yellow.
cheese.
And you can use any type of
And
shredded
we chose Italian style cheese. That's just what we had at home. But you can use sure Parmesan will go great with it, or even mozzarella cheese and cheddar cheese.
Whatever you like.
Yes. We decided to add jalapenos. We both like spicy. We love jalapenos.
Especially that flavor, the jalapeno flavor.
And it's gonna add that freshness to it. And different herbs. You can choose the herbs you want. Really, we chose basil leaves, chives, parsley, and we're gonna add some garlic. What we're gonna start with, I'm gonna cut the potatoes. So we're gonna cut halfway. Like thin slice of, make a fan out of it.
So guys, we appreciate all the comments that we get.
Yes, we love comments from our viewers.
And we recently got a comment from Yesenia regarding us not covering our heads.
First, we want to say thank you, Senia, for your comment and for watching our videos. We're really excited about that.
And we would like to address it once again. We are cooking just for ourselves. We enjoy cooking, just the process. And then, and we don't mind cooking without
Hairnets or anything like that. And I mean, honestly, I gotta say, we've never had a complaint that they found our hair. We're trying to be really careful, guys. We do. But at home, if you do have hairnets, I would, say that's a great idea actually, to have a hairnet.
But it's just a personal choice.
If you're cooking for, big event, like a party or anything for someone else, then definitely wear a hairnet. The potatoes, and there's a pan. So we got the melted butter. I'm also gonna add olive oil. So I'm mixing butter and olive oil together because I don't want just the pure butter.
To make it healthier.
Yeah, I just don't want too much butter. I'm gonna add salt, butter. I'm gonna add the parsley for the color. I'm gonna add the chives, and I'm gonna add black pepper. I like the black pepper, sorry. And basil. Alright, I'm gonna mix it all up. And we're gonna pour it over our potatoes. And we're gonna put it on 425 degrees for 55 minutes.
All right. Next, we of course add jalapenos. Just place your diced jalapenos inside of the potatoes and on top of them. Then, sprinkle your shredded cheese on top of it all, as much as you want. And that's it. Just 10 more minutes and it's ready. Doesn't it look yummy? And now Marina is going to taste it.
Alright, so our cheese herb potato fan is ready. And I'm gonna taste it. Oh, look at that fan. Look at that. How it's falling apart with all the cheese and jalapeno and the butter. So, I am gonna taste it. It's so good. So buttery. Spicy. I love spicy.
Yeah, it looks so good.
And the cheese, and the butter. Yum. Guys, I approve. So I would definitely make this again.
Yeah, so make it
Like it.
and subscribe. Like and subscribe.